Hello all of you, welcome to tutorial on primary key constraint in SQL. In this tutorial we will try to know the basic concept of primary key. Primary key constraints. Primary key constraint uniquely identifies its record in a table. Primary key is a candidate key and this candidate key helps to make uniqueness in a table in a whole table. Primary key must contain unique values and cannot contain null values. SQL syntax. First, table column name, then data type, then not null, then primary key. So let's go to the query window to see how to use foreign key, primary key constraint in SQL query. Here we have payroll management DB, so we just want to use this DB. Just execute. Yes, we have payroll management DB here. So I just want to create a new table for CustomerInfo. So let's go. Create table and table name. Schema dbo dot CustomerInfo, open close bracket. Inside this we just want to add some columns for CustomerInfo table. CustomerId, type integer, and then customer first name. I just want to give NVARCHAR 50, not null. NVARCHAR 50 and not null. And then LastName. Similarly, NVARCHAR and 50, which is null. And then age, AGE, integer, and null. So this is the CustomerInfo table. Here I just want to create the CustomerId as primary key, so I just need to give it not null first, and then we have to read we give the primary key, then identity 1, 1 means first one is seed value and second one is increment value. So this is the CustomerInfo table create table script, and here we have some column CustomerId. Here CustomerId is a primary key and its type integer, not null, primary key, and its identity 1, 1. So if I execute this, yes, we just created a new table for CustomerInfo. So refresh the tables here. Yes, we have CustomerInfo table here. Here we can see the CustomerInfo and it's the key symbol. So CustomerId is looking a primary key. So in this way we can add the primary key for a column in a table. Thank you. Keep watching the next video. Thanks again.